Today in this video we'll see this rechargeable battery operated washing machine for cars and bikes. I'll show you the detailed unboxing step by step.
Hello, good
Let us
evening to
start.
everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Just now I received this package from the Flipkart, which is this high pressure car washing product. This one. So this is the box what I received. So let us check this. And this is under 1500 rupees. Okay, to be precise, this is Sky Union Bros Nozzle high pressure car washer. So maybe you can wash the bikes also with this. Yeah, maybe I'll try that. Okay, let me just open this and let me keep my laptop aside. Yeah, and yeah. Okay, this comes with the water pipe. We'll keep it aside. This is the installation instructions. Here installation instructions, and these are the accessories, and this is the battery. This is the battery operated machine. Okay, what is this? Oil maybe. Okay. Yeah. This is the adapter to charge the battery given, and this is the actual machine. Okay, the operation should be something like this: to spray high pressure water for the cleaning purpose. And let me first of all mount this battery. Okay, maybe I need to use this button in order to insert this. Okay, so I need to press it down and attach this, like simple. Okay, now it is fixed. Sorry, there is some amount of water here, so I'll be using this once I fit everything. Okay, so this is done. I'll be keeping this aside, and now we'll try to open these accessories. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 6 accessories. First we need to follow this step by step instruction guide. Connect the water pipe to the adapter they mentioned. Maybe this is the adapter, right? Okay, so I need to maybe fix the water pipe here. So let me open the water pipe here also. Right, so this goes here like this. This is what the first step is here. This is what mentioned the first step, but yeah, maybe I can use this. Okay, yeah, the first step I did a small mistake. I should just open this screw here. This is the item, right? Now I can just use like this, then tightly fit this here, then seal it. This is the proper installation. Okay, yeah, easy only. Yeah, once it is totally perfectly fit, I can lock it. Now it is perfect, so this won't come out. Okay, now the first part is done, and second, connect the water pipe to the filter screen. So this is the filter one, right? The other part, the other end, what I'll do is I'll take the other end of the pipe and I'll be attaching this, right? Right, fine. Maybe you need to properly fit this. Okay, the pipe quality is decently good and hard enough. Okay, now the step 2 is also finished. The third step, connect the water pipe to the gun body. Maybe this is the one, right? Maybe I can connect this to the pressure machine like this. There's a screw, right? Screw type, the thread type one. So I need to just rotate here so that it gets perfectly tighten up. Right, fine. I can close this. Now this is fine. Now what is the third step they are saying? Connect, see here, connect the water pipe to the gun body. Maybe these two they are saying. Okay. Yeah, here it is. So I can just pull this down and I should fit it like this. That's it. Okay, this is perfectly fit. Yeah, perfect fit now. Okay, fine. Next, the third step, fourth step, install the lengthen gun rod. I already did that. Okay, and install the multifunctional knob, this one, the red one. Okay, multifunctional knob to this one actually. Yeah, here. Okay, see here, this is the multifunctional extended rod blade. Just for this you need to pull it down like this, pull it down so that now this knob will go to here. Okay, release it. Okay, I'll show you from the side angle. Okay, pull it down. Okay, pull it down, keep it here. Sorry, pull it down perfectly, keep it inside, release. Now it's perfectly fit. And the battery installation we already did that. Removal and installation of the foam pot, this one, this is for the foam actually. And use method for the charging, use method of the charger. Okay, maybe where is this? Maybe I need to remove the battery here. This is the adapter pin, right? I need to just, yeah, here, see here, once we remove this you can insert here and you can plug in the charge. Yeah, see here, now you can charge it with this adapter. Okay, for now what I'll do is I'll again be placing over here. Okay, fine. Now the installation is complete, right? And this foam part I'm doing it later, but okay, I just missed this, but let me just try this for the first time.
Actually there are two nozzles, right? Just we need to keep that in the bucket, and this is one type of nozzle, and later I will try to show you the other type of nozzle. This is more over spray type, means once you apply shampoo or any sort of foam, something like that, after that you can use this. This is like gentle spray. Okay, the other one is with full of force. This nozzle is of gentle spray type thing. Okay, after foam maybe you can use this, and the one which I am going to show you is this is a full of force to remove mud or dust, etc. You need to carefully do this. Okay.